I'm going to give you my best answer. Call us with your immigration questions, or what we say in the promo, getting answers. Let's go to Ahmed in Jamaica.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, sir. My Arif Ahmed, my name. So, I've applied for N400.
Right.
After a month, I got arrested. So now they charged me So they
what were you arrested for?
Arrest for domestic assault.
Domestic assault. Well, if you are found guilty of basically a domestic violence crime, that's a deportable offense.
I know, but they offered me pay some fine, and then they removed the charge.
What did they offer you?
Pay some fine.
Well, I don't know what fine means. What were you found guilty of?
It's not I think it's domestic. They dropped those charges.
What?
They dropped those charges.
All the charges were dropped. So you were found innocent. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. So my question, also another thing, my wife, she go to family court, ask for order protection. So order protection is in tile. So what I can do? So it's
how long is the order protection?
It's still like TPO, temporary order protection.
So,
not a final order.
So this is the deal. Okay, you got arrested for domestic violence. If in fact your charges were dropped, good for you. You're not going to get deported. You cannot prove good moral character while there is a temporary protective order against you. So whether it's temporary or permanent, if there's a protection order against you, that is prima facie bad moral character. You need a minimum of 3 years good moral character in a bona fide marriage with your wife, but you're not even in a bona fide marriage with your wife anymore because you're not allowed to be near her. So your citizenship's going to be denied just because of the temporary protective order. And then either once the protective order is up, if you and your wife reconcile, then you got to wait 3 years from that time to file your citizenship, or 5 years if you and your wife don't reconcile. But your citizenship's going to be denied.
Okay. But if I divorce her, so I have to wait until 5 years, right?
You're going to have to wait 5 years anyway unless you're living with her, whether you're divorced or not. You need help. Hold on, my friend. Let's go to Angela in Houston.
Hey, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you? I have 2 questions.
Yes.
Yeah, can my boyfriend file for me if he has a criminal history?
What is the criminal history?
He was caught with marijuana when he was 19.
That's fine. No problem.
Okay.
But assuming you marry, your boyfriend can't file for anybody.
No, we're gonna get married.
Right. Husband can file, absolutely. The only time when, I assume he's a U.S. citizen, the only time when it's a problem with a U.S. citizen filing for a spouse is when that U.S. citizen was found guilty of some crime involving sexual abuse of a minor.
Oh.
Other than that, it's fine.
Okay.
All right.
And the other question is, he got an accident and he's not working right now, but he's looking for a job. Will that affect me in any way?
Well, it affects you in the sense that if he's not working, you'll need a second affidavit of support from someone else. But other than that, no, it has no effect.
Okay. And Brad, do you still offer the COVID consultation fee? I want to talk to you privately.
Yeah, hold on one second. Let's go to James in St. Paul, Minnesota. James.
Hello.
Hi, James.
Hi, Brad. I'm calling from Minnesota.
I see that.
So my question is,
yes.
I just recently had an N400 interview, and initially I was applied for my removal of green card conditions, but eventually I didn't get a response from them. But
so then you filed for the citizenship.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your question?
So the question was that when I went for the interview, and the official told me that, did I receive the letter for the I-751, which I never got. I told the official that I never got it. They said they sent it. So she said, okay, we're going to have an interview on that, and my wife was not there with me, and she just had a surgery, which I explained to the interviewer. I had a lawyer, and my lawyer is not also there.
Well, your lawyer should know that when you're filing your citizenship and you have not gotten your I-751 approved, you better show up to the interview with your wife. It's bottom line. So what happened?
Well, the interviewer, she asked me if I was,
I don't want to hear everything that happened at the interview. What was the result?
Okay, the result was that, they were not, my petition is unconclusive right now because,
All right. So what is your question? What would you like me to help you with?
So my question goes, with that, what is the next step?
Wait for them to schedule. Hopefully they don't deny everything, and wait for them to reschedule a new interview with you. Hopefully that's what they plan on doing. I wasn't there, but hopefully they'll schedule you a new interview to interview you both for your citizenship and your I-751. Hopefully soon. With your wife.
Okay.
Show up with your wife, because you got to get the I-751 approved to get the citizenship approved.
Okay.
Okay. So, so the answer is follow up for a new interview.
So
I wasn't. Of course, write them, call them, go there. I wasn't there at the interview. I don't know how it ended. So if the officer said, I'm going to reschedule a new interview, follow up for it. If the officer says, your lawyer's an idiot, or you screwed up, your case is denied, then we got to refile again. I don't know. I wasn't there. So you tell me what happened. I don't know.
Okay.
All right, but right now it sounds like they're going to reschedule you, so follow up. And next time, show up with your wife.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go to Ali in Eagan, Minnesota. Ali, we lost Ali. Let's go to Gary in Clarendon, Jamaica. Gary.
Yes, Brad. Big up to you and your other host.
Thank you. I'm sure they're listening.
Your show, I've always been watching your show, and I find it very helpful.
Thank you.
I just need to know what is happening at the U.S. Embassy in Jamaica, because I was told that they are not conducting interviews. Is that true?
No, they are, but very slowly.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.